So why is it called a forward pivot? Well, quite simply, we're going to put one toe in the ice and we're going to pivot around it going forwards. In this demonstration, I'm going to do it in a clockwise direction. So we're going to start, shoulders and hips square. Going to put my right toe in the ice, arms out to the side for balance. I'm going to bend. My weight is on the foot that's going to push. So from there, I'm going to push my weight out to the side and a little forwards. You see, I'm going to pivot around. To repeat that again, so I bend. I'm not going to push sideways like that. I'm not going to push back because I won't go anywhere. You push the weight out and the foot out and forwards. So I'm here, my foot goes out and forwards, and then I transfer my weight to the foot that's got the toe in the ice. So, to help you create some rotation and get a bit of speed on this move when you're doing it, you want to feel like the side of your body with your toe in the ice, that's going to feel like it's going backwards. And the other side, which you're pushing off from, that's going to feel like it's coming forwards. So if I combine that with the push off and forwards of the foot, you can see I can get quite a bit of speed when doing it. So when you're doing this move, the ultimate position you're in, although you start with your feet parallel, as you push off and your leg goes forwards, your foot with where the toe is in the ice, that's going to open and you're going to end up in this position with a right angle between the direction of your 2 feet. So I'm there, feet parallel. I bend my weights here as I push it out and forwards, I transfer to the toe, and there you can see I have my feet in my right angle position like that. So some common mistakes with the forward inside pivot. People start off like this, and as they go to push, they have their weight here and they leave it there. So as they push out, they don't go very far because they've got their weight stuck out there. You want to make sure that as you push off, you transfer it to the foot with the toe in the ice. Other common mistakes, they start off, it's all looking good, they're here, and as they push off, they leave their weight backwards. So they just fly off the ice like that. Sometimes they even fall down. Whether you're doing a forwards pivot or a backwards pivot, it doesn't matter. You want to make sure that your free leg, the one you push off with, gets a nice straight position. You don't want it to come around like that. It does not look very nice. You want to push off and you get a more efficient push as well when you straighten it. So I'm there, I bend into it, I push, and I straighten. If I go backwards, I'm here, I bend, push. You see, I straighten that free leg. If I keep it bent, I only get half of the push. You can get much more if you finish it off fully and get a nice extension.